Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Snapchat private. So first of all, go ahead to your Snapchat app. And as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Click on your Bitmoji at the top left. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my settings gear at the top right and scroll a little bit down. Scroll a little bit down to the privacy and controls or privacy controls. And you're going to be able right here to see view my story. Click on it and basically you're going to be able right here to see or see the option who can view my story. If you want it to be your friends only, that means people or only your friends will be able to see. If you want to customize it, to one or two people, you could just go ahead, and make it to a one person basically, and then hit block right here, to how could I say, to make them an exception for that, right? So they won't be able to see the newest stories that you posted on Snapchat. So you can block some people from seeing your story. They will not be blocked from your friends list, but they will be blocked, as in they will not be able to see your story again. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.